Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on battery. And then scroll down and then click on overcharge protection and then click on next and cross. And then go back and then click on optimized charging and then turn this button on. After that, go back and then click on battery saver. Now turn this button on, and after that your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.